Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT, guys. So the reason that we promote the $25 business is because of its affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. If you're a affiliate marketer, that's a fantastic deal, best I ever seen in my life. It does not go down after the first month. It's 80% all the way through. As long as they stay in the system, you get paid 80%. All right, guys? Fantastic. So anyway, guys, if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results here. Now, it looks like we did get a sale yesterday, but we're going to refresh the page to make sure this is indeed true. Make sure you guys understand that. All right. All right, it looks like we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Okay, so if you guys are interested, this is what we're gonna do. First, we're gonna get you your links. All right, guys. So let me show you the link that I personally use. This link here. All right, guys. This is the one that I use personally. You can use any link that you want, but this is the one I like. I personally like, so I use it. All right. So what you want to do, guys, is go to my descriptions. You're going to see step 1, step 2. Step 1, you should see something like incomespeech.com for a link. You click on that, it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. All right, guys. Now this page is the $25 business sales letter. It talks about what it does, what it is, how much money you can make, blah blah blah. Right. Essentially, what it is, if you're interested, it's a funnel builder, and $25 a month, and the most popular funnel builder out there is over $100. ClickFunnels. If you use that, I used to use ClickFunnels. I use this now. It's a really good funnel builder. It's only $25 a month. No real limitations on it either. Fantastic. So I can make like 100 pages, and I'm fine. Okay, so all right, guys. So you also can make 20 and 100 monthly commissions off of each sale, guys. So each make you $120 every month. That's a fantastic sale. That's why sales are so valuable, because they might pay. It might pay more than 1 month. So a sale is fantastic. You aren't just getting $20. You might make thousands of dollars off of one person. You know what I mean? So that's why this system is so fantastic when it comes to its affiliate program. So they also get a charity if you're interested in that as well. Anyway, once you decide you want to try this out, click on one of these green buttons. They all throughout the page here. It's going to take you to this page here. You put in your basic information, complete order, get instant access. All right. So one thing I want to show you guys, if you use my link, you'll get the HBA Premium for 14 days free. All right, guys. So what is HBA Premium? Basically, it's teaching you how to promote this product on different sites or different ways, like solo ads, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, so on, blogging, podcast, whatever it may be you want to do. It shows you how to promote it. All right, guys. So they also have AI content creation machine. It's gonna help you create titles, topics, articles, help you write articles, stuff like that. Very similar to ChatGPT. You know, more into selling like that. But anyway, you get all of that, and the best part about this is that you get a sale with HBA Premium. You get a sale with that. You keep that money because technically you own the product, so you keep that money, that $100, guys. Fantastic deal. All right, so now you sign in, right? You go through all the steps to sign in. You know how to do it. You don't done it before, trust me. And there's videos explaining absolutely everything. You get your links. All right, now we need to promote the link. All right, so what I'm gonna show you is the absolute easiest way I have found to promote these links so far. All right, works for me every time. All right, so easiest, just simple. All right, so you want to click on that second link that I was talking about before, step 2 on my description there. It's gonna take you to a page called My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, what is My Lead Gen Secrets? Basically, you get 100 leads you can email once per day. All right, and it constantly stacks up into more and more leads. All right, so since we got a sale yesterday, we're just gonna continue on mailing system here. We're gonna click on select all, and we're gonna click on You guys sit there and just say, so this is an email that ChatGPT has written me, guys. So we're just gonna use another one of those. I understand something. I have been using ChatGPT to write all of these emails, and they've been working out for me. So this is the next one here. We're just gonna load that up in that tank there, and the email is loaded up. That's really all you need to do. It's really cool. Email is up, so we're gonna hit perfect timing. That's gonna send an email around the time people check emails. We're gonna hit preview, and we hit preview for two different reasons. One, we want to make sure our link works, guys. So you want to make sure your link works. If your link does not work, does not go to your page, your affiliate page there, like it did for me. If it don't work, don't send an email, because you will not make any money off of that, because your link doesn't work. All right, guys. So make sure your link works. Mine works perfectly. Now the other reason that I clicked on this preview is to give you guys a time to record and copy this email if you guys are interested in the email itself. There you go, right there. Wrote this email. ChatGPT wrote it. I kind of tweaked it a little bit to make it a little more catchy, eye catchy, italize some stuff, blah blah blah. You know what I mean? And yeah, that's all there is to it. It's very simple, very easy, very quick. All right, guys. So that's all there is to it. We're gonna send the email, and that's all there is to it. So it's all about consistency, guys. Understand this. If you want to make money online, it's all about consistency. Now what I just showed you guys is the absolute easiest way to make money online, but I think there are more effective ways to make money online. It requires some work. All right. And off the top of my head, the most profitable way to make money online right now is shorts. Make shorts, very 7 to 15 second shorts, guys, that are posted on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Post them on all three of these sites in particular. Those are the sites that really are working right now. You can try Twitter as well. I think Twitter would be my fourth place. I guess Facebook. You can post on Facebook as well if you want to. But those three in particular, focus on those three. Those are the ones you want to focus on. But what you want to do is you want to post these videos maybe 3 or 4 times a day, at least every day. You want to post them 3-4 times a day, and you just post them over and over and over again. You keep doing that, eventually something's gonna go viral, and when that something goes viral, you will make a ton of money. You'll never have to worry about money again. That's simple. All right, guys. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.